Hello guys, welcome to another video, another great video. In this video we are going to do another lab by KillerCoda. In this chance we're going to, looks like we're going to be moving a static pod. So let's go ahead and start, clear this out. So move a static pod called resource reserver beta to node control plane. Also change the name to resource reserve v1. All right. So where is this guy? So if we do a k get pod, so I want to see which where it is. Resource beta wide. Oh, so it is in node 1. You can see it right here. So it is in node 1. So what we need to do is we want to move it out of node 1. So we want to SSH node 01, right? There we go. So we want to move, I think it's in the Etsy Kubernetes manifest. That's where they're all going to be. Yep, you can see it right here, resource.yaml. So we want to move this file out of here, right? And I want to place it here, right? So here it is, the YAML file. So now if I do a k get pod, I cannot do it from there. Let's go ahead and do, actually before I do that, I want to do a cat resource, right? Because I already I moved that from there, so I just want to copy this for now. So let's go ahead and exit to go back to the control plane, clear this out, and if I do a k get pod, oops, what did I do? Pod. You can see there's no pods there in the default. There's no pod name resource reserve beta. So what I want to do is I want to create a new file called, like, let's say new pod or whatever. Doesn't really matter. .yaml, and let's go ahead and paste that. And before that, it says right here to change the name to this guy. So the name will be right here. Resource reserver v1. All right. So now we cannot create this because this one is a static pod. So we need to move it to the control plane manifest folder, right? So to move it, we do mv vim, new pod. Actually, let's go ahead and change this name to also. Let's go ahead and just name it. Yep, resource reserver v1 .yaml. And now we can go ahead and move it. So we're going to move it into the Etsy Kubernetes and manifest. Right? Oh, sorry. We got to move this guy, right? We got to move this file into here. So now if we go and do like cd or ls to list, you can see that it's now in there. And if we do a k get pod, you can see it in here, and it is running and it is ready. So now if we do a check, there we go, validation successful. So great, we did it. So we move a static node from the node 01 to the control plane, and we also renamed that file, and we just added it to the control plane manifest so it could run as a static pod. So yep, this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys learned anything, learned some tricks, some new stuff. And guys, I will see you on the next one. Share, hit the share button. Don't forget to hit the share button, hit the like button, comments, whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.